Hello, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today's story is very beautiful and helpful. It has more than 120 daily useful sentences. Please read it carefully. Practice each sentence with me. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. Listen carefully and enjoy learning. Are you ready? Let's start and have fun together.
I wake up early in the morning. I look at myself in the mirror. Who am I? I ask myself. I do not know the answer. I am 30 years old. I live in a small apartment. I work at an office every day. But I feel something is missing. I take a shower and get dressed. I make tea for myself. I sit alone at the table. Today, I want to find the answer. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes after 10 minutes. I get on the bus and pay the fare. I find a seat near the window. Many people are going to work. Everyone looks tired and busy. I think, are they happy? The bus stops near my office. I get off and walk inside. I say good morning to everyone. But nobody really talks to me. I go to a coffee shop for lunch. An old man is sitting alone. I ask, "Can I sit here?" He smiles and says, "Yes, please." We start talking to each other. He asks me, "Are you happy?" I do not know what to say. "I have a job and a home," I reply. "But that is not my question," he says. "Do you know who you really are?" I feel confused by this question. He gives me a small notebook. I take the notebook home. I open it after dinner. The first page says, "Write about yourself." I pick up a pen. I write, "My name is Mark." I write, "I am 30 years old." I write, "I work in an office." Then I stop writing. Is this really who I am? I think. I do not know what else to write. I feel sad and confused. I decide to sleep and think tomorrow. Childhood memories. I dream about my childhood. I see myself as a little boy. I used to play in the garden. I used to draw pictures every day. I wanted to become an artist. I was always happy and smiling. My mother used to say, "You are special." My father used to say, "Follow your heart." I wake up from the dream. I remember my old dreams. What happened to that little boy? I ask. I write this in the notebook. I call my mother on the phone. "Hello, Mom. How are you?" I say. "I am fine, my son. How are you?" "Mom, I have a question for you." "What is it, dear?" she asks. "What was I like as a child?" My mother laughs softly. "You were full of dreams," she says. "You loved painting and helping others. You always said you wanted to change the world." I thank my mother and hang up. I feel a little closer to the answer. I find a box of old photos. I open it and look inside. I see pictures of my family. I see pictures of my school friends. I see my old paintings and drawings. They are very beautiful and colorful. I forgot I could do this, I say. I find a photo of myself smiling. I was holding a painting in my hands. I was so happy then, I think. I put the photo on my table. I decide to start painting again. I go to an art shop. I buy colors, brushes, and paper. The shopkeeper asks, "Are you an artist?" I smile and say, "I am trying to be." I go home with my new things. I sit down and start to paint. At first, my hands shake a little. But slowly, I feel comfortable. I paint a picture of the sunrise. I feel happy for the first time. This is what I love, I say. I paint until late at night. I show my painting to my neighbor. "This is very beautiful," she says. "Can you make one for me?" she asks. I feel proud of myself. I make a painting for her. She gives me some money for it. "You should sell these," she says. I think about her words. Maybe I can do what I love. Maybe I can help others feel happy. I decide to make more paintings. I start to feel like myself again. Making a choice. I am standing at a crossroad. I can keep my office job. Or I can follow my dream. I think about it for many days. I talk to my family and friends. Everyone tells me to follow my heart. I write a letter to my boss. I want to leave my job, I write. My boss is surprised but understands. I feel scared but also excited. I know this is the right choice. I am ready to start a new life. I open a small art studio. People come to see my paintings. Children come to learn from me. I teach them how to draw. I make people smile every day. I wake up happy every morning. I go to bed satisfied every night. I help poor children learn art for free. I donate money to my community. I feel useful and important. I finally know who I am. I am Mark, the artist who helps others. 1 year later, I meet the old man again. "Do you remember me?" he asks. "Yes, I do." "You changed my life," I say. "No, you changed your own life," he replies. "So tell me now, who are you?" I smile with confidence. I am a person who follows my heart. I am someone who helps others. I am an artist, a teacher, and a friend. I am the person I was born to be. The old man nods and walks away. I finally know the answer to who am I.